And you can put anything on here, like I showed you in the other one. You can use stamps and you know, drawings, stickers, clusters, writing pages, whatever you like. And I thought this time I would do something different because I like to show you something different. Let's play with some stencils. All right, let's do that. Okay, so that's what's going on. There's somebody's not behaving on that side. We're gonna let you dry. You know, I would recommend using this glue in that department along these instead of this glue, because this one will dry. It will stay right where you put it, and it just went smoother when I used that glue. I did use that glue last time, so there you go. That's, I'm sure, the problem. Okay, so now I've got some nice little stencils here, and I'll just whip out any ones. Here's a cutie boo. All right. So remember, this is, you know, actually, let's put a stamp here because, well, no, we don't have to. We could put a stencil. That's all right. You can stencil. Okay, here we go. Oh, I hear somebody at my front door. I think they're dropping off a package. Yeah, how exciting is that? What could it be? Presents? Who knows? Okay. Oh, that's kind of pretty, huh? Okay, so that's nice. The front, we can do that on the back as well. Maybe I'll do the similar one because it is the front and the back. And I won't be able to tell the front and the back anymore at all. Except I have that lovely little spot on there, which denotes the back to me. Okay. Oh, that's cute. Okay. All right, so we have that. And, all right, in you go. Okay. Then we are going to decorate the pages as we go through. So I have some, where are you? I pulled you all out, and you should be all prepared and organized and cut. Hang on, I gotta find them. Okay, so for the first page, I thought it might be fun to cut out one of these butterflies, and this guy seems to fit. So let me just quickie cut him out. This is, I just took an embossed piece of paper that I had. I was just running some paper through the embossing machine the other night, and that's an awesome thing. If, you know, you had to ask for something for Christmas, it might be a good idea to get an embossing machine. These are manual. They don't take electricity. It's the Big Shot, and, you know, you can use it during the apocalypse because you don't need electricity. It's very handy. You can continue your crafting. And they're like workhorses. They just work forever, very rarely break, as far as I've heard. Everybody's been really happy with them. You know, if you have the, I don't know, do the cry cuts do embossing too? I don't know. I don't have a cry cut, so I don't know. But I think that they, or is it Cricut? I don't know how to say it. But I don't know if they do the embossing too. But this guy does. Oh, he looks kind of cool. And let's give him a little color because he just says, you know, I want some color, and he wants to be blue, not pink. Don't put it in the pink. All right, where'd the blue go? Where'd the blue? Oh, there it is. Okay. Yep. Probably the wrong dauber. Yep, wrong dauber. Oh well. Okay. You are now broken china blue. Okay, there you go. And we may want to just enhance him a little bit with the brownies on the edges. So he pops. I like the pop factor. I do. I think it looks nice for design to give it a little contrast between the background and the focal point. So I'm just going to pop him down there. I'm going to, oh, I hope you have it all glued shut. I thought I put a little pin in you. You work with me? Oh, yeah, good. Okay, we're rolling. Everything's okay. It's okay. No calamities. Not today. It's only paper. And we're gonna pop this little one down. Yeah, cute as that. Now you could do more to that. Of course, you could put stickles on it and stuff like that. Little sparklies. You could do little blingy things or put words. So I'll just do a few of these pages so you can sort of get an idea. And maybe now, hey, I want to do some writing. I'd like to do some writing on this page. And maybe I want some fancy schmancy edges. Okay. Look at that. Yep, this came from a thrift store. Yep, and I'm always really leery of buying cutters, these paper punches, because sometimes if they're used, they're dull, but this one, you know, is just fine. So there we go. And let's go with the blue again. What the heck? We've kind of got some blue cards in there, so let's just do it. Okay, so I'm going to put this here. I think that looks sort of pretty. I'm going to go to this glue. This glue is very paper-friendly glue. I'm gluing paper to paper, cardstock to paper here, so it's going to go nice. Making sure I got my corners. And put that here. Okay, is that pretty straight? Okay, can you see? Yeah, okay, there we go. We have that. We could put something here, but let's just pretend we're playing with this side today. And maybe now I want to do another stencil. And maybe I want a blue rose. Maybe I'm just going to run this right across. Well, that looks kind of cool. And maybe I'm going to put this rose over here, counterbalancing the roses. Oh, that's pretty, isn't it? Yeah, I like that. Now, where's that stuff? Oh, lordy me, where did I put it? Okay, I was playing with the gesso last night, as you know, and we can do some gessoing here. I'm going to do some really thin finger gessoing. No, that's already dry there. See, it's very important to put your, and you can do this with a card as well. Nice technique. It actually comes out thinner with the card, which is probably better for this particular project because I have to flip the page. Okay, so that makes this writing space, okay? So you can do that. Gesso is awesome to give you writing space over book pages that have text on them, okay? Flipping the page. Okay, and what are we going to put here? We have ideas. We do. Where's my idea pile? All right. Oh, I had this little guy. He's from a little planner. Well, I thought he would be cute. I'll just keep going with the blue theme. This doesn't look very straight on the bottom. Oh, lordy me. I'm going to try and make it straight. Okay, good luck, right? Okay, there we go. Not too bad. Planets must be aligned today. Okay. All right. I'll put you down. There we go. Where are we at? 40 minutes. Oh yeah. See, it's going to take a little longer. We're, I'm sure, deep into part 2 right now. But that's all right. All right, down we go. See how nice and flat that lays? I mean, it's awesome. And let's see. You know, I think I want to do something. Let's do some, all right. Let's do like a coffee ring splotch here. Because I don't drink coffee anymore, but I used to love coffee. And that makes me just feel like it's still in my universe. There we go. Okay. And doesn't that represent me? Splotch? Totally. Okay. And I had other stuff here. Now let me just find it. I got some book pages. These are, I actually cut this out earlier too. Maybe I'll stick that on there. You know, the botanical pages, and these are coffee dyed, and maybe I will put one of these on here. How about this little guy in the corner? He's just sitting there hanging out being very yellow, and he looks like he would love to go in this journal, wouldn't you? I know you would. Yes. I hear your claims, your requests. Please put me in there. I don't want to live on that boring book page with everybody else. Let's ring you with blue, and this will just be the highlighted blue journal. All right. Carrying a theme of the blue edging throughout. I think that looks pretty. All right, get it around there. Okay. Boop. And down. Okay. There we go. All right, and so how many more pages we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let me put a few more down and I'll be right back. Okay, I wanted to show you something. I have gone ahead and put something on the pages, and I gessoed this page and put a little woman on this page, a flower, and I think you've seen these from the beginning. So just to give you different ideas of what you can do in here. Forgot one page, that's okay. And but I did want to show you the integrity of this is starting to tear a little bit because it's a very thin page on the very back. So I want to show you how to repair that. It's a quick and easy fix. I cut out a little piece of muslin, it's very thin, and we're going to glue it on the back, but we're not going to glue it to the spine. We're going to glue it to this side and that side, and the goal is to catch the cardboard and this paper, and then this is going to be the strength of the spine. It's going to bear the load. Okay, so we can try some Fabri-Tac with this. Sure. And here, and then not on the spine itself, but here and here. If you can glue the spine too, but it's just going to be more difficult to get your book to lie nice and flat. So that's what I want to show you, how the book lies nice and flat. And this should not, in theory, haven't tested this yet, so could be sticking foot in mouth, but going to town, have done similar things to this in the past, so hopefully, oh good grief, I know better than to say that, right? Yeah, okay, we'll see. All right. Just saying the jury's out until we know if the proof is in the pudding. Okay. All right. Now, just drying, letting that dry actually. That's what I'm doing. Okay, so now, how's that look? Whoop, that's the front. Okay, there we go. We're much better. We're glued down, so it's not going anywhere now. Okay, I feel better about that. I want you to have good, strong, intact projects. All right, so now we're going to tuck. And now we're going to tuck. All right, we're going to get everybody settled into the little places, and we're going to close it. Sweep off all the dusties. And there we go. So you could put a little, one of these around, something like that. Give it a little tie. It would look really cute. Or you could just leave it as is. Or this is thin enough that you can actually use just a paper clip to keep it closed, which is kind of pretty and nice. Let me show you that. You have a... can't find a gold one at the moment, but I have this one. So you can also do something like that, and that will hold it as well. So a couple options there. I hope you liked this. This was a lot of fun. I just wanted to show you this today. So here we go. I'm trying to find the original one to get, okay, here we go. So here are the two. You take a look at them, and I hope you give this a try. It really is a lot of fun, and it's very easy. It's no sew, and these are removable, and you can put a new one in, so you can, make it like a traveler's notebook or something like that. But that's pretty much it. So I hope you have fun crafting today. Everybody take care, be well. We're going to be doing our 5,000 subscriber giveaway. Thank you very much, everybody, for all your support and encouragement. Very soon, as soon as I figure out all the new rules with the contests for YouTube. So that'll be coming very soon. And we're just going to celebrate. And so there you go. I'll be talking to you soon. Please like, subscribe, and share, and check out our Facebook page. You're more than welcome to hop on there and post the goodies that you make. I really, really love seeing them. It's so inspirational to me to see what you guys make. And you guys give me the best ideas too. So thank you very much for that. And I'll talk to you soon, everybody. Have a great day. Bye-bye.